The X-Zone radio/TV show and X-Chronicles newspaper exclusive. Unveiling the Truth, Psychological Stress Analysis questions the testimony of congressional witness David Grusch. Saturday, July 29, 2023. In recent congressional hearings, the case of David Grusch, a prominent witness, has drawn significant attention. As part of an ongoing investigation into governmental affairs, his testimony was subjected to a comprehensive psychological stress analysis. This analysis delved into the intricate details of nonverbal cues, speech patterns, and other psychological markers to gain insights into the veracity of Grusch's statements. The results of this analysis suggest potential discrepancies, casting doubts on the reliability of his testimony. This article aims to explore the implications of this analysis and the subsequent fallout surrounding David Grusch's appearance before Congress. Analyzing psychological stress. Psychological stress analysis consists of evaluating various aspects of an individual's behavior to identify signs of deception or an elevated stress response. Experts combine knowledge from fields such as psychology and criminal justice to scrutinize physical cues, vocal patterns, and emotional responses. By examining these factors, analysts attempt to unveil hidden motivations or inconsistencies in a witness's statements. In the case of David Grusch, the psychological stress analysis conducted during the hearing highlighted several indicators that warranted further scrutiny. These signals, such as increased body tension, micro-expressions, and speech hesitations, suggested potential issues with the veracity of his testimony. Although psychological stress analysis cannot definitively determine guilt or innocence, it provides an additional tool for evaluating the credibility of witnesses in a legal setting. Implications for David Grusch. Following the psychological stress analysis, David Grusch's testimony has faced serious implications. The revelation of potential discrepancies and signs of stress has drawn sharp criticism from both the public and legal experts. Many argue that these indicators undermine the validity of his claims and raise doubts about the accuracy of his account. As a witness of importance in the congressional investigation, the credibility of Grusch's testimony bears a significant impact on the outcome of the investigation itself. Discussion on truthfulness. It is essential to approach the results of a psychological stress analysis with caution. While the analysis suggested potential untruthfulness on the part of David Grusch, the presence of stress indicators alone does not demonstrate guilt or deception definitively. Stress reactions can arise due to various factors, including public scrutiny, personal fears, or the pressure associated with giving testimony. Therefore, it is crucial to consider all available evidence before making definitive conclusions regarding his honesty. The need for further investigation. The revelation of potential falsehoods in David Grusch's testimony highlights the necessity for a more comprehensive investigation. The inclusion of corroborative evidence, expert testimonies, and additional witnesses becomes imperative in validating or refuting the claims made during the hearing. The integration of multiple sources of evidence will provide a more robust foundation for determining the truthfulness of Grusch's statements and ensuring a fair and accurate outcome for the ongoing investigation. Conclusion. The psychological stress analysis conducted on David Grusch's testimony during the congressional hearing raises significant questions about the veracity of his claims. While stress indicators play a role in evaluating credibility, they should not be the sole basis for determining the truthfulness or deception of a witness. The analysis serves as a starting point, highlighting potential inconsistencies for further investigation. It is important to maintain a balanced approach by considering additional evidence and testimonies. Only through comprehensive investigation and analysis can a clearer understanding of David Grusch's statements emerge, providing a more accurate assessment of his credibility within the context of the congressional hearing.